Everyone, welcome to my second commentary of the day. Assuming that everything works, but my first commentary's already been posted. So yeah, we're gonna be reviewing the Monster Truck Throwdown show in Wilmot 2025. I'm not sure why I said the 2025 part, but I just said it. Um, I'm excited to see this because Uproar got a new look that I actually like. I like most new trucks designs. I call me like brain dead or something, but I actually like the new Stars and Stripes Gravedigger. So, I mean, yeah, that's probably gonna like lose me like half of my subscribers, but like, still. All right, now we have not Elliot Miller. Let me let me look up the lineup. Uh, let's. All right, nice two jumps. Oh wait, he gets a third attempt. I kind of forgot. Wait, let me look up the lineup real quick. Yes, I know what the trucks are. I wouldn't know who the drivers are. All right, it's not Elliot Miller, but it's some guy. Let me look up. Actually, this is Athena Kozel. Uh, nice little wheelie. Yeah, I have no clue who's driving High Tide. All right, let's see what her second. Oh, she's going for a stoppie, I think. She doesn't usually do it. Sorry for not talking. I was looking at the. I was just trying to find out who's driving it, and then I started looking at the lineup, and I am almost definitely doing a commentary on Fowlerville whenever that. All right, not gonna get her second move. I'm gonna say High Tide stays in the lead, but yeah. Look at the lineup for Fowlerville. That looks awesome. Next up, we have Uproar with a brand new body style. I love this design, honestly. Let's see what he does, because he's gonna be competing in the LCQ soon, so he's gonna wanna do his best. See what happens. I'm gonna predict John Zimmer Jr. for racing and freestyle, and then for skill, best trick and freestyle, and then racing. I'm gonna have John Zimmer Sr. Those are my predictions. But I think John Jr. could win racing. I'm just saying John Zimmer Sr. because he's a pretty good racer. I saw him make it to the finals in racing in person. Did not win though. Oh, and I didn't even realize that was a soppy jump. I thought, oh, well, pretty good run. That's definitely the lead. I'm gonna get a nice little donut. If this donut is for scores, then I will say this. Like that it'll affect my score, but I mean I'm not gonna say anything about it right now because yeah. All right, is he going for? He's going for a reverse popper. He doesn't usually do stuff like that. A nice reverse popper though. Very nice. Slap wheelie. He's definitely winning skills, unless he somehow does awful. Which I'd be shocked. I'd be absolutely shocked if that happened. Alright, going for a moonwalk now. This is why I chose him. He's definitely taking the win. Nice. Just walking it. He's doing it so effortlessly. He's awesome at skills. I've seen John Zimmer Jr. twice in person. He has never won a competition at any show I was at, which is genuinely shocking. All right, let's. Wait, what is this racing style? All right, wait. Now I'm focused. Oh, it's just Chicago style with extra steps. Oh, all right. I got really excited for a second. I was like, whoa, what's happening here? I mean, it's still cool, but I mean, could have been cooler. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm not trying to be rude. Please don't take it that way. I'm just being strictly objective. I thought it would be something different. I thought it wasn't just gonna be this, but yeah. I think Little Miss Dangerous is broken, so they're just having Uproar come out and do a buy run. This is gonna be like, all right. So I definitely predicted skills correctly, or not. You know what I mean. I'm just gonna call it skills. John Zimmer Jr., in my opinion, wins skills. So let's see what happens here. All right, and John Zimmer Sr. is currently leading. John, I predicted you to win. I don't even think you. I don't know if you. All right, final turn. Yes, I predicted it. I called it. John Sr. This could be the very first show that I completely predict right, and it's not even Monster Jam. But you guys have evidence. I said at the start that you heard it. I said what my predictions were. I said it was. My OBS just did something quirky. But I said it at the start. You guys all heard it. You guys heard me say John Zimmer Jr. for skills and freestyle, and John Zimmer Sr. for racing. And I was right. Alright. Crushing some cars nicely. Slap wheelie maybe? Alright, no. So far, pretty good. I'd like to see a bit more momentum from whoever this is driving, but that's really it I can think of right. Nice air. Sorry for yawning, but so far, really nice jumps. I don't really have much to complain about. Nice donut. Going for a stoppy. Never mind. Gonna go from that jump from the backside of it. So far, not bad, but I'd like to see some more actual moves. Not to sound rude, but like he's really just getting like wonky landings on a lot of these jumps, which is not bad. Don't get me wrong, but yeah. All right, Athena Kozel is now she's good now. Her truck is not dead anymore. All right. So far, not bad. Just not really anything. Definitely not as good as High Tide, but I'm pretty sure her truck is broken, so there is that as well. Right, so far, things are going. Not maybe not well, but they're going. Her truck is definitely broken. All right, slap wheelie, please. No, her truck. Her truck is not in the best shape, and she's just trying to keep it from falling to pieces. Gonna go for not even gonna go for the car stack. All right, now we just had to get through those first two ones. Really, the second one was the only one we had to get to. First one was actually pretty entertaining. But now we are with the two big guns, John Zimmer Sr. and John Zimmer Jr. Let's see what's gonna happen. John Zimmer Sr. is really good. I think if he was on a stadium tour, he'd have a really good shot at doing good. But if he's on a stadium tour next year, I think that he and his son will be on a stadium tour next year. And oh, the front end is falling off. But it's not Monster Jam. We're not gonna shut him off for that. Or not front end, the front hood. That's better. But yeah, if he runs in Stadium Tour, I'd recommend actually probably using the zombie body, or really just not using Uproar, because fans tend to underscore Uproar from what I saw when Uproar competed in Monster Jam. They really underscored it. So that is very far. He is either lining up for something or just lost. Alright, I think John Zimmer Jr. is going to have an easy freestyle win here. Right, nice donut. Very nice donut. Alright. Turning the truck around. Alright. Still got one more hit, I think. That might be it, but I could be wrong. So far, I think High Tide actually was better than this, and I never thought I'd say that, but High Tide was just getting wonky landings on almost all of his jumps. I mean, this has been better momentum, but it's not even been better momentum, I'd say. So in my rankings, High Tide is in the lead. Also, can someone, if you went to the show, please tell me in the comments, who won every competition, actually, because I'd expect John Zimmer Jr. to have won Best Trick, and I'd be shocked if he doesn't win freestyle just because of how bad it's been, to be quite honest. And it's not been bad, it's just been below average by a decent amount. But yeah. So is John Zimmer Jr. also gonna have a bad run? Please no. Please do not tell me John Zimmer Jr. is gonna have a bad run. Either I think he has something in his truck I don't think is quite right. I don't know what part, but I'd be shocked if his truck is all 100% there. Alright. I think he only has either front or rear steer, and I don't know which one. Or front or rear power. This truck is not going... I think he only has front power. Alright. Can he get anything? Nice air. Yeah, I don't think he has rear power. Could be wrong, but... Oh, that's it? I don't... What in the world?
$5 for a whole
I don't
breakfast
want...
twice.
Alright, well... I'm just gonna use my stream ending. It's not a stream, but I don't want to be stuck on an ad and be promoting that, basically, but... Alright, well, so in my opinion, High Tide wins freestyle, which I'm shocked to be saying. High Tide just got big air on most of his jumps and wonky landings, which I really liked. I like wonky landings, so yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Trying to get to 100 subscribers, and I'm almost there. I'm 2 away, which I'm shocked by, but yeah. Thank you all for who've already subscribed. So yeah, my next goal is probably gonna be 150 or 100 or 200 subscribers, but either way, yeah, I'm not really sure what else to say, but also vote in my polls, because I just like that. It makes me happy. So yeah, have a good day and goodbye.